show you how to cook the yummiest Spicy Caldereta Fiesta cuisine. Here's what we need. 6 cloves garlic crushed, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 large potato, 1 large bell pepper or 2 medium-sized. Slice all the vegetables. 1 can garbanzos, 3 tablespoons peanut butter of your choice, any brand will do, 5 pieces siling labuyo, and 1 kilo beef ribs. Let's marinate the beef. Put 3/4 cups soy sauce and add 1/2 cup Sprite or 7-Up. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper crushed. Put in the refrigerator overnight. Or marinate the beef at least an hour. Let's start cooking. Saute garlic in olive oil. And add the onion. Add the marinated beef. Add pepper. And put in the marinated sauce. One tablespoon liquid seasoning, optional. 1 pouch tomato sauce or caldereta sauce. And add 1/2 cup water. And simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until meat is tender. Or pressure cooked for 30 minutes. Make sure you have enough water so that the meat will not burn. In a separate pan, fry the potatoes. And carrots. Fry until golden brown. Set aside. When the meat is tender, add peanut butter. And add a bell pepper. Garbanzos. And siling labuyo. Simmer until the sauce is thickened. Add fried potatoes and carrots. And stir for a few minutes. And voila! Enjoy!